Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and physical stability. Turn off mains, install backup battery if present. Plug in, then flip the main switch while watching indicator LEDs. If the display stays blank, press and hold the factory reset pin for 3 seconds to wake the controller. Once the unit boots, use the front jog dial or touchscreen to enter setup mode. This is where you configure time base, time zone, and daylight savings behavior. Make sure to save before moving on. Now configure how the clock keeps time. Select internal quartz for standalone use versus GPS or NTP for networked accuracy. You do this in the synchronization menu. Enter server addresses or enable GPS antenna power and wait for lock. Fine-tune phase and drift compensation so the clock corrects slowly rather than jittering. Once done, set update interval to 3,300 seconds depending on stability, and confirm holdover settings so the machine maintains time during brief signal losses. Finish by saving your configuration and performing a soft reboot. This applies calibration and sync rules. After reboot, watch the offset, lock status, and stability graph for 10 to 15 minutes. You want steady lock and offsets within expected limits. If the clock doesn't lock or shows large drift, inspect antenna orientation and cable continuity, verify NTP server reachability, and review system logs for errors. If problems persist, perform a controlled factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.